How to fix Black OBS 6 packet burst. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to fix packet burst Black OBS 6. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's move right into the video. So first of all, check your internet connection. Use a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi. Wired connections are generally more stable and less prone to interference. The second step you need to follow is to restart your router. Power cycle your router or modem by unplugging it for about 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. Third is to close background applications. If you are playing on PC, ensure other applications are closed to free up bandwidth. Applications like YouTube, streaming services, and lowest downloads can affect game performance. The first step to follow is to port forwarding. It can improve your connection by ensuring data flows efficiently between your router and the game server. And the last is to disable VPN. If you are using a VPN, try disabling it. VPNs can add latency and routing issues, leading to packet burst. So, by following all the steps, you need to check whether your issue has been gone or not. If not yet, you can easily contact the support team for fixing this kind of issue. So, I hope this video worked for you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.